Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Chevy Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, front all-season tires. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.